Samsung has recently introduced the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, its first foldable phones after unveiling the Galaxy AI features in January. These new phones have some exciting AI-powered advancements. Because they have a unique form, several AI features have been adjusted to function better with their flexible inner panels and outside displays. There are also additional features that are presently only accessible on specific Galaxy and models. Ideally, these new features will soon be available on other Samsung phones, if not Android phones. Today, Galaxy unveiled 7 crucial features that AI lovers would like, including interpreter mode. This is a significant unique AI function for these foldable phones. When the phone is opened at a correct angle, you can use both the inner and outside displays to transcribe and translate conversations in real time with someone speaking a foreign language. It supports 16 languages and 23 dialects. The Galaxy S24 series already had a similar two-sided translation feature, but this foldable version may be even more useful for communication, similar to what we saw with the Google Pixel Fold sketch-to-image, perfect for the S Pen-compatible Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Photos app now lets you use AI to improve your doodles. Some special circle-to-search improvements will be available first on the new Samsung foldables, followed by other phones having Google Search. Circle to search on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 can now scan QR codes, translate a complete screen of text, and solve arithmetic problems. These features will not be limited to these phones indefinitely, but it's amazing to see one of the finest AI features for phones continuing to improve. Portrait Studio. You can now give your selfies a new appearance with the Portrait Studio mode, which lets you apply effects such as watercolor, 3D cartoon sketch, or comic style. Like previous Samsung effects, you get 3 to 4 variations of the modified shot to choose from. You can now use an AI translator while talking on the phone, not only with the Samsung Phone app, but also on the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6. In the interpreter mode, you can translate between 16 different languages and choose whether to hear yourself, the other caller, or the translated speech. Samsung's new foldables may let you write messages to your contacts, which they can then finish or construct answers from fresh, ensuring that they are acceptable and relevant to the discussion. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.